Hey all, come make this blueberry dragon fruit smoothie with us as we try to defy age here. I hope everyone is having a good day, so let's get into the video. For this recipe you'll need banana, which is high in potassium, rich in nutrients, full of antioxidants and help you feel full. You'll need blueberries, which helps manage cholesterol, potentially reduce blood pressure and anti-cancerous properties, and is a superfood. The next you'll need dragon fruit that contains prebiotics which feed healthy bacteria, natural, high in fiber and fat-free, and it's rich in antioxidants. The next you'll need mangoes, which lower blood pressure, may reduce inflammation of the heart, stabilize digestive system. And then our liquid of choice in this recipe is oat milk, which is high in vitamins, bone strengthening material, and you can replace the saturated fats with unsaturated fat. And then we're going to need some peanut butter, good for weight loss. It may reduce risk of breast disease and it may boost heart health. And our only spice that we'll use in this recipe is cinnamon powder, which lowers blood sugar, reduces heart health, and is loaded with antioxidants. And then our little acidic that we will add to our recipe is our lime, and we'll get some lime juice from it, and that improves immunity, promotes healthy skin, aids in iron absorption, and prevent kidney stones. So all these fruits and natural products will help to make your body healthy and strong and defy aging. So you want to consume this as often as possible. May even have that for daily. And this dragon fruit, you can get 20% of your magnesium a day from it. So let's get into making this blueberry dragon. A disclaimer here, I'm not giving any professional advice. This is for general purposes only, so seek medical attention before you change your diet. We're gonna add our bananas, and I have frozen bananas here. So I just, when they're ripe, I just put them in my freezer. So I have them. I have some blueberries, the same thing for my blueberries. I just put them in my freezer. And then dragon fruit as well. And then we're going to be adding some peanut butter. This is all creamy natural peanut butter, organic as well. So this is a very healthy recipe. And then we're gonna scoop our mangoes. You can cut it up if you like. I find this one easier when I just use my spoon, like you've seen on my other videos as well. Let me just try to get out everything from it. And then we'll just squeeze some lime juice in, just for the flavors. And we have the natural sugars from our fruits, so we won't add any sugar or honey. Then let's pour our milk in. And then we'll just have a sprinkle of nutmeg, no more than a quarter teaspoon, if so much. And then we'll get to blending. Look at this deliciousness. It tastes so good and so healthy. If you like what you see here, be sure to turn on that notification button so you do not miss any videos. Share with your family and friends. Like the video and leave a comment in the comment section. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.